Hey tech enthusiasts, today we're diving into the ultimate $1,500 gaming PC build for 2025. From gaming to content creation, this build can handle it all. Stick around to see it in action. Let's get started. Kicking things off, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X with 8 cores and a boost clock of up to 5.4 gigahertz. It's perfect for multitasking and gaming. For the graphics, it's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. This GPU is a beast at delivering buttery smooth performance, even in graphically intense games like Fortnite at 1440p with ray tracing. Simply stunning. Next, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 megahertz ensures blazing speeds for heavy workloads and gaming alike. And for storage, a 1 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 SSD means a lightning fast load times and ample space for your favorite games. All of this is built on a feature-proof AM5 motherboard, making upgrades a breeze. Now, let's talk about what keeps this beast cool. We've got a high airflow NZXT case to showcase the build and a 120mm tower cooler to handle the heat. Powering everything is a gold-rated 650-watt PSU, ensuring reliability and efficiency for years to come. In Fortnite, this build performs in 1440p ultra settings in 120 to 160 FPS. In Call of Duty Warzone in 1440p high settings, it gets 110 to 140 FPS. In Cyberpunk 2077, with 1440p ultra with ray tracing and DLSS enabled, it gets 70 to 90 FPS. In Elden Ring, in 1440p max settings, it gets 100 plus FPS. So it gets probably around 110 FPS in Elden Ring. And for CS2, in 1440p competitive settings, it gets 200 plus FPS, which is amazing for playing games in 2025 and really just doing any modern tasks alike. There you have it, the ultimate $1,500 gaming PC build for 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.